with regards to the recent Inland Revenue Act, which criminalized certain admin activities. Can you elaborate this, please?
Right, yes. So the recently introduced Inland Revenue Amendment Act had many sections to strengthen the tax administration. In other words, to empower Commissioner General to take certain measures, certain actions to collect the income taxes efficiently. Right. So I'll go one by one. So there was this section, new section 185A, which was introduced to criminalize certain administrative actions, to criminalize certain failures of the taxpayers. So let me go one by one. So now everyone, as you all know, anyone above 18 years should have a TIN number, taxpayer identification number, right? So now if a person does not have a tax identification number and he's informed by the Commissioner General to get a tax number, and within 30 days if he fails to do so, then Commissioner General under the new provision can take the person directly to the magistrate court and 4 lakhs tax to be paid, or he could be put in jail for up to 6 months. So this is the criminalization. So now what is this activity? This is normal compliance administrative activity. Failure for that, what we have to keep in mind is that can result in a jail term. So not only that, so there are about 5 activities like that. One is the TIN registration, what I mentioned. Failure to file the income tax return. If a person has failed to file the income tax return going forward, again, the same process happens. Commissioner General can give him a 30-day notice, warning period, and if he fails, then Commissioner General has the power under the new section to institute action in the magistrate court, and that could result in, again, up to 4 lakhs payment or up to 6 months a jail term.
I've had that question just very quickly. How does the IRD generally would notify these individuals saying that these warnings per se?
Yeah, normally it is a letter in writing. According to the law, Commissioner General has the power to even send it, say, by way of an email also, because electronic methods are also included in the Act now. So I mentioned 2 things. One is the TIN. Second one is the filing of the income tax return. Then, of course, other annual statements that a person has to file, like the withholding tax statements. Other one is when Commissioner General informs a person to come for an interview, appear before the Commissioner General or the Inland Revenue Department for an examination. And if the person does not turn up, again, same procedure, 30-day notice, and can end up in the same procedure. Right? So these are basically normal admin activities. Earlier, these were not. These were earlier punished with civil punishments, but now these have been criminalized. So this is something that every taxpayer has to know.
Is it? I'm going to go to that. Is it that they are going to issue a certificate to collect taxes by default?
Correct. Yes. Now, so one of the another issues here is when the taxes are in default, how to collect it. So in the Act, there are so many other methods right now for recovery of taxes in default. For instance, the Commissioner General can go and seize the bank account. Commissioner General has the power to go and auction the property of the taxpayer. So many other recovery methods. To that list, a new one has been introduced that is called the certificate procedure. That is basically when a person has taxes in default, Commissioner General can now issue a certificate to the magistrate